Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my 4 Kelvin 60 FPS virtual beach tour of CalGoloritze in Sardinia, Italy. As you can see, the crystal clear water and stunning white sand make this beach a must-visit destination for any beach lover. As you explore the beach, you'll find that the water is incredibly clear and inviting, with a beautiful turquoise color that will leave you in awe. You can take a refreshing dip in the sea or try snorkeling to see the colorful underwater world teeming with marine life.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
While there are no facilities on the beach, there are plenty of restaurants and cafes in the nearby town of Baunay where you can indulge in delicious Italian cuisine and refreshing drinks. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the virtual tour of CalGoloritze in Sardinia, Italy. I hope this 4 Kelvin 60 FPS video helps you feel like you are actually here, and that you'll consider adding this beautiful beach to your travel bucket list. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to click the like button and write a comment below to share your thoughts. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more virtual travel tours and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.